Let's change out the damaged upper grille on this 2016 Nissan Sentra. It's only held on by several plastic clips. I'll show you the back of the new grille to give you an idea. Here's my replacement grille. These are pretty cheap on Amazon or eBay. They look like pretty decent quality as well. This one came off of eBay for 45 bucks. The grill is only held on by a bunch of clips. So along the bottom, you'll see these tabs that press in that you can release. And on the top, there's several of the trim style connectors that go in along the top side here, and then one connector on each side like this that presses into the headlight assembly on the vehicle. First step is to open up the hood and find this plastic dust shield. This dust shield will have to come out. So the only thing that holds it down are 12 of those plastic connectors. So get yourself like a trim removal tool, or you can use a flathead screwdriver and some needle nose pliers if you're careful. And don't worry if you break some of these. These are cheap at any auto parts store, these little clips. So you kind of work it up like this, and then they'll pull out. Most of mine were damaged, my connectors, so I was able to just pull them out of there. And I got lucky, and the dust shield on my car is not damaged. So once you get these 12 connectors out, the shield simply lifts off of there. Now we have some better visibility of the grille and how it mounts. I'm going to go ahead and remove these two plastic brackets that attach the upper grille to the radiator support. I don't think you typically have to do that. I'm removing them just so I can get better visibility for videoing the rest of the removal. Also, your new grille likely came with new brackets. If yours are damaged, don't worry about it, because your replacement one should come with those. My passenger side bracket was damaged, so it's not really connected to anything. But this one we'll have to unscrew. Got those screws out and it should come right off. Forgot to mention, your plastic brackets likely had a plastic clip here near the hood release, one on each side. Now mine were damaged and busted off, so I didn't have those, but if yours have clips, just remove them. Now we can see on each side of the grille, there's a connector right here that should mount into the headlight assembly. Now mine is busted off. The part that's made onto the headlight assembly is actually gone or broken off. But if yours is there, you'll have to take that off. Got one on each side. So on my driver's side, it's still present, right there. So I'll have to get this clip out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it here from the driver's side headlight clip. Just like that. So your bumper cover should actually have a clip holding it onto the headlight assembly as well, one on each side. The clips on mine are already gone, busted off. So I have a little bit more flexibility because of that, or access room. You may have to remove those clips to be able to reach the clips on the bottom of your grill. As a reminder, here's what the grill looks like. This is my new grill. There's these flat plastic pieces. There's kind of two on each side, two on that side, two along the bottom, and two on the other side. So there's six tabs we have to get removed to get this grill off of there. So here I am on the passenger side. My first two tabs I have to remove are ones right here, just under that kind of where it mounts to the headlight. And then right there, right beside the start of this foam piece that goes on your bumper. So I'm gonna remove this side first, that way I can sort of move the grill out of the way just a little bit to reach the other two in the middle. Okay, those seem to be out of the way. So if you feel along the bottom of the grill, you'll feel the tabs that mounted on there. It helps when you can look at your new grill and understand where they are. That's it. It comes right off. No bolts holding it on, just the clips and tabs. Okay, let's get this new grill installed. It's pretty easy to do. You just need to get these 6 tabs on the bottom of your new grill inserted into the holes in your bumper cover here. There should be 2 on each side and 2 in the middle here on the bottom. Just press those in. And also, there's a clip along the top on each side that goes into the hole on your headlight assembly, one on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit those in. It should just press right into place. While you're in here, your upper bumper cover should have a plastic retainer clip into each headlight assembly as well. So go ahead and make sure those snaps are in there. They could have been damaged if you had some front end damage. It could have been broken out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my 2 clips in now. Okay, you may have already placed these brackets on, but if not, you go ahead and install them now. Your grill probably came with new ones. They just attach the top of your grill to the radiator support. And if it didn't come with new screws, just take the screws out of your old grill and reuse those. These brackets also attach to the metal bracket near your hood release in the center of your vehicle. So go ahead and place those plastic retaining clips back in place. Okay, the last step is just to put your plastic engine dust shield back on that covers up the area here in front of your radiator. So just place it where it goes, and we'll put our retaining clips back on. It sets on, and then there's 12 retaining clips that go around there. Instead of buying those expensive clips at the auto parts store, if you have time, order them on Amazon or somewhere like that. I got a whole big bag full of these clips, these retainers for I think $7 or $8. I'll put a link to it in the description. Let's go ahead and put the rest of these retainers in. All right, I did find a replacement Nissan emblem for the front of the grill. I found it on Amazon for 25 bucks. It's the OEM Nissan brand. It's not a knockoff. And on these year of Sentras and Nissans, there are no screws that hold it on in the back. There's literally just 4 tabs that just press into the slots. It's really self-explanatory on how to install this thing. On some of the newer Nissans, there is a screw on the top clip, right beside the top clip, that you'll have to kind of access from the back, but it's still easy to do. So let's go ahead and install this. All right, hopefully this video gave you guys some confidence on how to change your own grill yourself without having to go to a body shop. It's easy to do. Don't be afraid to try it. And if this video helped you all out, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more useful videos.